drugs. Firstly, I will define that what is antihyperlipidemic drugs. These are the agents which reduce blood level of lipid, cholesterol, or triglyceride, thereby reducing complication of atherosclerosis. And now, classification of antihyperlipidemic agents. These are total in 10. Firstly is cholestyramine, cholestyramine, niacin, flofibrate, gemipivizole, probol, dextromycin, neomycin, HMG-CoA, reductase inhibitor, and lovastatin. Now, in antihyperlipidemic drugs, these abnormally fat particle known as lipid restrict blood flow that increase heart attack and stroke. These are three major lipid: cholesterol, triglyceride, and phospholipid. Now, cholesterol. What is cholesterol? Cholesterol, phospholipid, and triglycerides. These are three main agents that we are discussed about in biochemistry. Now, cholesterol, the composition is 80% present in our liver, and 20% we require our from food from daily sources. Now, cholesterol is necessary for synthesis of bioacid and maintain membrane of cells. And now, triglyceride, which is composed of three fatty acid source of energy stored in body. Now, phospholipid. Phospholipid are major components cell membrane. These lipids are in plasma blood transport in body in a shape of capsule. These are present in a capsule, and which is known as lipoprotein, consists of a hydrophobic core. There is a core outside made of up of cholesterol and triglyceride, surrounded by hydrophobic shell made of phospholipid and apolipoproteins that are specialized protein that control enzyme and lipoprotein metabolism. The lipoprotein is divided into four types. First is chylomicrons. What are chylomicrons? The chylomicrons. Second is VLDL, that is very low density lipoprotein. Third is LDL, low density lipoprotein. HDL, high density lipoprotein. The VLDL density is from 0.95 to 1.006, and LDL 1.019 to 1.063, and HDL 1.063 to 1.210. And their primary components and diameter are following in the slide. Now, uh, these chylomicrons are tiny shape like materials, and VLDL, very low density lipoprotein. Chylomicrons that are producing in dietary lipid and composition small amount of cholesterol. Now, VLDL that produce in liver compose primarily triglyceride and some cholesterol that are amount in larger than chylomicrons. Now, function of these two lipoprotein to deliver energy to triglycerides. Chylomicrons and VLDL is to give their main process is to give energy to triglycerides towards cell of body. Once they stream in blood vessels, enzyme locate that these called lipoprotein lipase release fatty acids that taken by tissues. The triglyceride, the VLDL gets transferred into LDL. Now contain relatively higher percentage of cholesterol. The function of LDL to deliver this cholesterol to cells used in cell membrane and used in steroid hormone. However, the half of LDL mostly taken by liver used in synthesis of bioacids necessary for digestion, absorption of fats soluble in small intestine. Excessive cholesterol transport back to liver by HDL composed of small amount of lipid produced in liver and small intestine. Now problem arises the unarrangement of step of lipoprotein, high level of cholesterol that accumulate in innermost artery valve led to arteriosclerosis lesions. That LDL often bad cholesterol HDL prevent atherosclerosis lesions by removing cholesterol that cause oxidation, vascular formation. HDL is good cholesterol. Now, several classes of major lipid lowering drugs. These are now HMG-CoA reductase inhibitors like statins and lipid lowering drugs, statins, nicotinic acid, niacin, and then fibrates, bile acid sequestance, cholesterol absorption inhibitors. Now, what are statins? They work with liver cells. The HMG-CoA react with malonic acid cholesterol. This is agent limiting step by inhibiting that enzyme. Now, statins affect with the concentration of cholesterol within liver cell, which produce cholesterol production begin to compensate more LDL receptor, which in turn bind LDL in blood circulation. Additionally, lower intracellular cholesterol level led to secretion of VLDL. Now, which contribute to decreased triglyceride level. Lastly, statin increase HDL level by few different mechanism. Example of drugs are atorvastatin, flavastatin, lovastatin, pravastatin, rosuvastatin, and simvastatin. But their side effects are headache, dizziness, feeling unusually tired or physically weak, digestive system problems such as constipation, diarrhea, indigestion, or fatiguing muscle pain, and low blood platelets count. Atorvastatin, lovastatin, pravastatin, and simvastatin. Their internal doses is following in the slide, and their half life is present on the slide. Now, what is niacin? Niacin. So, unlike statin, niacin works in adipose tissues, inhibits hormone-sensitive lipase responsible breakdown of triglyceride in free fatty acid. Normally, liver uses these fatty acid to make triglyceride, important composition of VLDL. These four agents like chylomicrons to VLDL, LDL, and HDL. The total antihyperlipidemic depends on three agents which play a role by different steps. In nicotinic acid like niacin, the VLDL by reducing VLDL, so by reducing free fatty acid available for transport to liver, niacin effectively decrease VLDL synthesis, which turn to decrease level of LDL. Niacin increases HDL is different mechanism, but their side effect is severe skin, flushing, dizziness, rapid heartbeat, itching, nausea and vomiting, abdominal pain, and diarrhea. But side effect is one of them flushing causing by nausea. Niacin prostagland is released, which result in veins dilation. Niacin compete with uric acid excretion by kidney, hyperuricemia, and gout. Lastly, niacin causes liver toxicity. And now there is niacin brand name is Niapsin, 500 mg, which is taken to 20 to 45 minutes. And now fibrates is my topic I have chosen from different books, so I will discuss about fibrates. What are fibrates? These are also antihyperlipidemic lowering agents, primarily activate nuclear transcription called receptor peroxisome PPAR alpha proliferator. Metabolically act on liver adipose tissue by bind to fibrate to PPAR alpha. Activation and inhibition of certain gene play role in lipid metabolism. One of them, fibrate, increase lipoprotein lipase with turn increase fatty acid. Furthermore, fibrate sequence ApoC3 which inhibit lipoprotein actively. Fibrate also increase ApoA1, ApoA2, major component of HDL. These increase to concentration. Drug related to these are Tricor and Lopide, fenofibrate and genofibrozole. Fenofibrate is given in 600 mg and genofibrozole is given in 160 mg. Side effects are GIT disturbance. Additionally, just like statin, ApoE3 rhabdomyolysis, however, stop to be in patient with pancreatic function. Now, indigestion, stomach pain, diarrhea, nausea, vomiting, and eczema. Bile acid sequestance. Bile acid is produced in liver, stored in gallbladder, excreted to digestion to lipids. Bile acid salt are negatively charged in small intestine. These insoluble complex liver cell increase LDL cholesterol and leave level in decrease LDL circulating. Example of drugs related are cholestyramine, 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 and side effect are nausea and constipation. And lastly, I will discuss about cholesterol absorption inhibitor. Free cholesterol in intestine. Bile dietary source bind with NPC1L1 located plasma membrane intestinal walls. This is present in our intestinal wall. This will bind with our valve. This bind with endocytosis, clathrin, AP2, apoendocytosis. The cholesterol release NPC1 come back plasma membrane. Now cholesterol inhibitor absorption bind with NPC1L1 inhibit with clathrin AP2 for endocytosis. This led to decreased delivery cholesterol in liver, which may control level of LDL. The drug belong to ezetimibe. Side effects are unresponse to statins. The second last is PCSK9 inhibitor. Enzymes circulating drugs bind LDL surface of liver cell and promote regulation activity of PCSK9 to remove LDL circulation. Now PCSK9 monoclonal inhibition antibodies bind inactivate PCSK9. These are more absence in LDL present for circulation, leaving increased level of cholesterol. Their drugs are evolocumab and alirocumab. Omega-3 fatty acid. This is last. These used for lowering triglyceride effect causes VLDL inhibition, DHA and EPA. Omega-3 fatty acid causes GIT disturbance. Lastly, now bile acid sequestance, cholestyramine, cholestyramine and cholestyramine. Their doses are different and their half-life is different. Thank you for watching this.